Shalom everyone. Shalom again. Good morning. Good morning. We will answer this question. Did Jesus give a new commandment as it is written in John chapter 13 verse 34? Because it says, "A new commandment I gave to you, that ye love one another as I have loved you, that ye also love one another." This passage is the alleged Passover celebration, where Jesus made to say that he gave his disciples a new commandment. So according to the narratives of this chapter in the New Testament, book of John chapter 13, that Jesus made a new commandment, and this new commandment is that ye love one another. Is it really new, or is it an old commandment? Let us consider where this passage came from. No? So to love one another as a command is not new at all, for the Almighty, for Hashem himself through Prophet Moshe already told the Israelites about this. This is in Leviticus chapter 19 verse 18, under Parsha Kiddushim, or how to be holy. No? You shall not avenge, nor bear any grudge against the children of your people, but you shall love your fellow as yourself. I am Hashem. You see? So whose commandment was that? It was a commandment by God, the creator of heavens and earth, the God of Abraham, the God of Isaac, and the God of Jacob. Okay? So these instructions is in Parsha Kiddushim, the portion of holiness, as it says in verse 1 in chapter 19, that you shall be holy, for I am holy. Okay? So part of those precepts or mitzvot in Parsha Kiddushim is to love one another as Hashem loves them. No? So therefore, it is not a new commandment during the time of Jesus. It is an old commandment commanded by the Supreme Creator and not Jesus. So this is a kind of thievery. Okay, you are claiming the concept where it is already a long commandments, long before the evolution of Christianity. It was already a commandment during the time of Prophet Moshe, that they should love one another. Okay, so hopefully this reminds us again of the truth concerning the law of Moses, the prophet, and the other words of the prophets. So may Hashem bless us all. Shalom, shalom.